Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will discuss the continuing topic K-map. Today, I will discuss grouping of cells for simplification in K-map. Okay, I will discuss grouping of cells, how to group cells, or I will discuss grouping of cells. So, I have already discussed the grouping can be of 2 ones, 4 ones, 8 ones, because everything will be in 2 to the power. As we know, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, so there can be single one. Similarly, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, so 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, there can be 4 ones. Similarly, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, so it means 8 cells. Similarly, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, so there can be 2 ones also. So first is here grouping 2 adjacent cells or pair. Okay, in first graph you can see one is at 0 positions, next one is at 1 position, so you can group them horizontally. Similarly, in the last you can see a graph where 1 and 5th position has 1, so you can group them vertically. So horizontally and vertically are grouping are horizontal and vertical grouping is possible. Horizontal grouping and vertical grouping both are possible, but not diagonal grouping. So it is the way to group 2 adjacent cells. Second, it is a numerical also. You can also group, it's not numerical, it's the other method. You can also group like this, as here 1 are at 4 position and 6 position. So corner also you can attach with each other, corner also you can group. Similarly, next here 3 ones are there, but 3 ones can't be grouped together. As I told, everything will be grouped in 2 to the power 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So here 2 groups 1 and 3 are having 1. Similarly, 1 and 5 are having 1, so there will be 2 groups. You can make them a pair, a group. Next, here can be 3 groups. Okay, so you can make the pairs according to need. Everyone must be covered while grouping. No, there is no need to make extra combinations, as here 1 is present in 1 and 3 columns, 1 and 5 columns. Similarly, 4 and 5 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. So you can make any pair, like 1, 3 first pair, 4, 5 second pair. There is no need to make extra pair 1 and 5. That combination not required. Similarly, written over here, that combination not required. Okay. Next, here also you can see different examples. So you can group horizontally, vertically, and corners also, but there you can't group diagonals. Next, grouping 4. There will be no 3 because 2 to the power don't have any 3. Then grouping 4 adjacent cell or quads. Pair, 2 cell are called pair. Similarly, 4 adjacent cells are called quads. So 4 quads को कैसे करेंगे? Let's see the numerical. Here you can see 1 is there in 4, 5, 7, 6 positions. So make one quad of 4 horizontally. Next, other examples you can see corners. 1 is there on 0, 4, 2, 6 positions. So corners will be paired, will be grouped. Similarly, in next numerical you can see 1 is at 1, 3, 5, 7. So you can make the CAD of 4 here. You can also make the pair of 2, 1, 3, 1 pair, 5, 7, 1 pair, but answer will be not correct. but answer will be not correct in that way. You must have to make very long pair. Always remember, if grouping of 4 or 8 is possible, then don't make grouping of 2, or you always have to make largest grouping. Okay, हमेशा largest grouping बनानी है. After largest grouping, answer will be small, so you have to simplify it, not you have to extend. So just simplify every time. Next examples you can also see. Vertical grouping 1 1 1. Next horizontal grouping. Next corners. There in the last example there are 4 corners. You can also group them. Next, third, grouping of 8 adjacent cells. It's called octets. Its adjacent cells are called octets. So if grouping of 8 is possible, just group it. Let's see. In the first numerical 1 1 1, all ones are filled in all the 8 columns, all the 8 cells, so answer will be 1. Next, horizontal, vertical, many n columns. You can see many type of grouping here. Now, summary of rules followed for K-map simply. There are some rules. Groups don't include any cell containing a 0. Yes, 0 should not be there in any group. See first numerical, it's wrong. 0 1, it's wrong. Second, it's right. 1 1. Okay. Next, group may be horizontal or vertical, but not diagonal. Okay, grouping must be horizontal or vertical, but it's first is wrong method, diagonal method. Second is right method, horizontal and vertical. Third, groups must contain 1 2 4 8, or in general 2 to the power n. Okay, always 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 0 is equal to always 1, 2 to the power 1 is equal to always 2, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 always, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8 always. Identify the largest possible group is if n is equal to 1, contain 2 ones. Okay, similarly we will do graph also, K-map also. First is right method, having 2 variables, 2 ones. Second is wrong method, having 3 ones. Okay, 3 is not there in 2 to the power. Next, 5 is wrong because 2 to the power has either 1 2 4 8, not 5. Second is right method, 2 ones are there. Next rule, fourth, each group should be as large as possible. Yes, it is important to remember, whenever you make any group, it must be large as much as possible. See first numerical, here is a grouping of 4, again 4, it's a right method. Second, you can see here is a grouping of 1, but grouping of 4 is also possible, so make largest pair, so it is wrong method. Last, there are few rules more. A pair eliminates one variable, a quad eliminates 2 variable, an octet eliminates 3 variable. Okay. Next, overlapping allowed. Yes, overlapping you can do, right, like we did in fourth point. Overlapping means एक के ऊपर एक सेल, एक ग्रुप आप बना सकते हैं. Okay, these are rules for K-map. So today I have discussed grouping of cells and also I have discussed rules followed for K-map simplification. That's it for today. Next I will discuss tomorrow. I will start numericals of sort. Okay, thank you for listening.